Just like any profession, I hear complaints from clients about their past experiences with other realtors. Usually, it's a lack of communication, a lack of information, and from buyers, it's something like, they didn't even send me any houses. I found the house that we ended up buying. Okay, so communication and information, or what I call education, through the process is so important to me, and I always do my best to respond quickly and keep you informed on what's happening now and what to expect for the next step. I truly sense this level of comfort and communication that develops between me and my people. Now, as far as finding the right house for you, that's something different. Will I send you suggestions? Yes. But with the internet that we have these days and you having access to all the same properties that I do, that should not be what you're hiring me for. And I'm not just a door opener either, because honestly, those locks can be tricky. Sometimes I struggle with them. So, what you actually hire me for is my knowledge on the market that you're buying in. This helps you determine if the listing price is fair or not, how much to sell your home for, contracts, because there are so many more things that can help you or hurt you besides the purchase or sales price, which brings me to my next point. Negotiations. Having a master certified negotiations expert with an emphasis on real estate on your side to navigate the many variable parts of a contract and win you the best terms is what you hire me for. Now, what about repairs? Do you know what's considered a reasonable repair or what's not? Or what about what even to look for? And what about the appraisals coming in high or low? What are the options there? That's what you hire me for. There's the behind the scenes preventative work that I do that could also very well be holding this deal together by a single little thread that you never know about, because this is supposed to be a special time for you. Now, of course, don't worry. If it's something that you must know, you will know. I'm not going to withhold info from you. And this is barely scratching the surface and doesn't even cover coordination and communication between the lender, title company, inspectors, repair trades, appraisers, insurance, and the other realtor, writing and reviewing legally binding contracts, addendums, and amendments, extracting the pertinent information to help you better understand all of those things, and making sure that it's in your best interest. So you see, the list goes on and on. Now, if you thought that I just send you homes and unlock doors, I hope that you've got a better understanding and can truly see the value in hiring the right realtor. And if you still can't see it, just ask someone who has hired the wrong realtor or went without a realtor. And when you're ready to buy, sell, rent, or invest, let me help you by making it as uneventful as possible, because that means that we are running smoothly in the real estate world. So make the right choice when it comes to such a mighty decision and hire me. I've got you.